up, YouTube? We're out on the YZ450 today. It's super crappy out. Just like rainy. But we're gonna rip this trail. A lot of ruts in it, a lot of good hill climb at the end. It's a good workout. It's gonna be even harder today because it's gonna be muddy. Oh man, it's been a while since I've been on this thing. I haven't been dirt biking like twice this year, which is sad. But it's weird. Everything's so light and nimble on this thing. Oh man, this trail's gonna be mucky as fuck probably. Oh, I just got jabbed with a stick right in the arm. She's slippery. Whoa. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and want to get a video out for this week. But I mean, I've been saying like, oh, tune in next week, but I'm pretty bad at that. So it's gonna be more of like, just when the new video's up, This is more of a hobby, definitely a hobby, but I just don't have time with working full time and stuff to be, I don't know, it's just tough. It's just busy. Ooh, she's deep. Woo! So yeah, it'll be uploading kind of whenever I can, not every week, but that's the goal. Once every week. But we'll see what happens. Next weekend, club's supposed to be doing a 3-day ride. So I'm probably gonna go on that if I can get some tires for the Harley in time. So I just realized I got a weather crack in the front one right by the rim, and I didn't even notice it before. Oh, this one's the worst. Woo! Right into the mud. So yeah, I might try and record that whole trip. Maybe. See how it works out with the group. I don't know. It's hard to film when you're riding with a huge group and everybody wants to go. You know, and you're like, wait, I gotta set up all these cameras and all these audio recorders, and everybody's like, come on, man. We don't got all day waiting for you. Kind of deal. So alright. So yeah, stay in tune for that next week if I end up doing it. Oh! Stalls it right in a mud hole. That's nice. Look at that. You can tell I've been riding in a while. Stalling. Alright, hill climb. Oh! Woo! Man, I can't make it to the top today. Can't even hold the front brake without sliding. Alright, let's try and start it off from here. No. There we go, maybe here. Woo! Made her. Holy crap, we made her. I am tired. Who says you can't get a good workout in on a bike? Alright, let's take a breather.
A few moments later.
As you can see, I'm a little rusty. All that, and it's soaking wet out here. But this is all I do. I don't race track, nothing like that, but bombing trails is the best, man. Exploring stuff, just finding new trails, new hills to climb. Anything, really. This is a pretty decent hill. Oh. So yeah, there'll be more dirt biking vids too. I want to do some dual ones, or my other buddies, record with my other buddies doing some trail riding. That'll be coming out soon. It's just one buddy's gone to Vegas, the other buddy smashes exhaust in. So can't really ride. I was supposed to even have 2 cameras today, so but I got over here, I was about setting it all up, and I guess the one battery didn't charge. I don't even know. So I only got the one view today, but that's good enough. Finally catch my breath now. A little bit. Oh man, this is a nasty trail in the mud. Nasty trail. Fun though. Oh, it's a good workout, man. I can holy crap. Mostly just from wrestling the bike when I got stuck there. I got stuck for like 10 minutes. Jesus Christ. I'm trying to wrestle my bike over some roots. I'm trying not to fall over in the mud. So yeah, at least this will be out, I hope, by the end of the day. Oh, we made it, we did it. We did it. It was a lot of fighting. You can definitely tell I'm pretty rusty. Oh, definitely pretty rusty. So yeah, if I go on that ride next week, might be in the week after by the time I get it edited and put up. But yeah, at least there's some dirt biking action going on. It's always fun. So instead of stay tuned next week, just stay tuned for whenever. Alright, peace, you too.